After months of diplomatic chill, India and Canada seem to be moving towards a thaw, especially following Prime Minister Modi's meeting with his Canadian counterpart on the sidelines of the G7. Megha, after months of diplomatic friction, how significant was this meeting between Prime Minister Modi and his Canadian counterpart, Mark Carney?
It is a watershed moment in the India-Canada bilateral ties as Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Canadian counterpart Mark Carney today held a bilateral where both the leaders decided to bring about a recalibration in the diplomatic, bilateral and trade and people-to-people relations of both the countries. The first step taken to that effect is the appointment of the new High Commissioners in Canada and in India respectively. Remember, it was a few months ago, because of the deterioration of the ties between India and Canada, which was under the leadership of Justin Trudeau, that the Canadian High Commissioner had been asked to leave the country. Something similar had happened in Ottawa, in Canada, where the Indian High Commissioner was asked to leave the country. Meanwhile, the two leaders also spoke about how there are going to be officials appointed to carry forward the stalled conversations, discussions and negotiations on the topic of trade, on the topic of culture, on the topic of education, supply chains that need to be built for critical minerals, that also is all going to focus on the stalled CEPA, which is the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement that India and Canada have been trying to sign for years together, but it has not fallen in place. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi, after having had that very important bilateral as well as other bilaterals that he had with the other heads of states that were present at the G7, which including the German Chancellor Friedrich Merz, as well as the pull-asides that he had with the Mexican head of state, with the South Korean head of state. He also did a pull-aside meeting with the president of France, Emmanuel Macron. So all these meetings have borne result, and particularly the very idea, the very reason behind Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Canada was to have that bilateral. It was on the minds of the two leaders that there needs to be something that needs to be done at the political level, at the head of the state level, to ensure that the debacles that both countries have faced in the last 1.5 years, because the relationship lowering to the lowest ebb needs to be brought back to its normalcy, at least initiate the start of it. And Mark Carney, having been elected just a few months ago, has been the leader that has initiated that step with India. We'll continue to watch, keep a close eye on what happens in the future for India and Canada, with these two leaders deciding to put all the problems aside and turning a new leaf in the chapter that is going to be written in history